In this part, we are going to discuss errors and accuracy. First of all, types of errors. If the error is generated by some person or because of person's lacking and negligence or inefficient way of handling any instrument, then it is called personal error or human error. Every experiment that is carried out has some percentage of personal error, because no human being is perfect and there might be some error due to for example, you're observing certain phenomena and you're not observing perpendicular to it, and you're observing it by looking at some angle through it, then the reading you're noting might be different than the actual reading. So human error or personal error then arises in the system. In random error is because of external conditions of the setup that is beyond the control of the experimenter. That is, this may be because of changes in temperature, changes in humidity level, changes in voltage, changes in atmospheric pressure, or whatever the conditions you have set up for the system or for the experiment. So all those external influencers causes some proportion of random error in the system. Where systematic error is actually error that arises due to the fault in measuring instrument, since it is the error due to the instrument itself you are using. So it is systematic error. So this is the error which can be removed and can be rectified by calculating first zero error calculation and then add the zero error calculation into the main reading, and then you can rectify or improve your reading by removing the systematic error. Whereas this personal error can also be rectified if we apply very if we apply some precautionary measures, and we are actually following all the SOPs of carrying out that experiment, then this human error can also be minimized. Systematic error can also be minimized. Whereas the random error, since random error is beyond a control, it always remains in the system, and whenever we are doing some experiments, we usually give a brief note that the experiment is, for example, carried out in certain conditions, and external conditions were this, so the experimental results are variant to the external conditions. So moving on to the next one, accuracy and error.